I am Kim Edwards. This is my sign. This is my protest camp for the Manitoba children. Here I am. Good afternoon, everybody. This is day 47 of my hunger protest for the Manitoba children in care. To touch on a little bit of last week's video, last Friday, it was brought to my attention that Premier Selinger is no longer using the name, the Phoenix Sinclair Inquiry, or the inquiry surrounding, or the commission surrounding the death of Phoenix Sinclair. He is now calling it the Hughes Commission, which allows himself to distance his government and distance the Phoenix Sinclair Inquiry from the woman who has spent her own money investigating the Manitoba Child Protection System, and them. I think that what our premier's been doing is beyond dirty. It's not right. And the only people that are going to stop them from doing what they do is the public, you. Which brings me to my next point. These videos that are being posted and being made, I'm making them to be shared and spread throughout social media for the purpose. I can't get any actual media to do anything. So please, if you can, when you see these videos, just hit share and do it for the kids. Like, it's not for me, it's for the children. I'm already doing my part by being out here. Please do your part by hitting share on the video, coming down, signing the petition. Don't be afraid. If you're afraid to sign because of your job, or something that somebody else might say, then you're not doing anything to help the children. Every citizen needs to stand up, and once every citizen stands up and makes them change, it will eliminate the fear. What are they going to do? Are they going to retaliate against the mass? I don't think so. The way I understand it, it's the mass that gets what it wants, right? Premier Selinger is calling it the Hughes Commission solely to confuse people. It's a dirty trick in which he's pulling, and when you want to pull dirty tricks with roads and Hydra and, money and all that, that's all good and well, but this man cannot be pulling dirty tricks like that when it comes to our children. Forget the protection of our children, of the lives of our children, of the well-being, the mental well-being. There are children in this system who are suffering badly every day. Every day they're crying. Why doesn't anybody love me? Why doesn't anybody listen when I'm saying I am being abused? When I am saying I will never get out of the system unless it's dead? Public, please tell me, what makes a 9-year-old child want to commit suicide and never grow up? These are issues in which our premier needs to address. I need to make this camp known to everybody. However it is that I need to do it, I need to step up my game. I need more signage. I'd like to do the signs by hand. It says heart, and if I can get anybody to come down here and pick up a Sharpie and help me make these signs, to get them up as fast as possible so people know that I'm here, please come down to the legislature and help me. I need things like bamboo sticks such as these ones that support the cross. You can get them at any dollar store. It's just something small in which people can do. People keep asking me what they can do for me. Bring me supplies that I can keep making signs that advertise that I'm out here, and I'm out here for the kids, and I'm out here for the long haul. I'll be out here till at least September when the Premier comes back, and hopefully Commissioner Hughes has his ruling. I hope that he is a very diligent man and he gets his report in on time, because my life depends on it and the children's future depends on it as well.